Our study is on characterization of a bat coronavirus in little brown bats. Recently, coronaviruses like the SARS virus and MERS virus have infected humans and led to severe disease and death. Similarly, coronaviruses like the PEDV virus has infected pigs. These viruses are believed to have spilled over from bats to humans and pigs. While a lot is known about the interaction of coronaviruses with humans and pigs, very little is known about the interaction with bats. We collected little brown bats from caves in Manitoba, Canada, and transferred to University of Saskatchewan. In 2010 to 2011, they were kept in 3 hibernating incubators, each containing 18 bats. In 2011 to 2012, bats were again collected and kept in 5 hibernating incubators. And each of these 5 incubators had 2 cages in it. After 4 months of hibernation, the bats were euthanized, and their brain, kidney, intestines, lungs, spleen, and liver were harvested. We performed PCR on the brain, kidney, intestines, spleen, and liver, and found that 30% of the bats were infected with a coronavirus. Since the bats were in different incubators, it is highly unlikely that the virus transferred between the groups. In addition to that, the sequences of viruses within the incubator were also different. This indicates that bats were infected before they were captured. The whole genome of the virus showed that it was similar to PEDV and other human coronaviruses. Using immunohistochemistry and electron microscopy, we detected the virus in the bronchial epithelium of the lungs of the same bats that had the virus in the intestines. When we looked at the histology of the lungs, we found that there were mild lesions in the cells infected with the virus, but the level of inflammation was low. In our study, we found that without the introduction of new susceptible bats, the virus was able to persist within the groups for the period of hibernation. Further studies would enable us to understand the intricate interaction that helps maintain such coronaviruses within its reservoir host, that is, bats, and the various factors that lead to spillover.